Yo guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of Baseball 9 for iOS and Android. So let's get into the game. So here we are right now. So I'm going to turn on unlimited gems. All right, so I've enabled it. And now let's check if our Baseball 9 gems go up. They're not going up. What is happening? I thought this mod menu worked. Oh, look at that. It's actually working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Baseball 9 mod for your device on iOS and Android, guys, in 2025. Fully working. So let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is go to tweakmod.com. So this is a modded website, and it's got all these like apps. So there's tons of them on here, but just type Baseball 9. You can see it comes up. Press install, and then it's going to start installing. So I do want to tell you guys that before the Baseball 9 mod finishes installing, you may see something that says you have to download like 2 apps and complete the instructions. It's 100% for free, and it's from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do that. So let's just see if it comes up. Yeah, let's just give it a second to go ahead and load. As you can see, all right, so here we go. So it's at the end now, so we're just going to wait for it to load up. And basically, you can see that it says missing files, additional files are required. So there's going to be all these apps, so you have to download 2 of the apps and follow the instructions. It's completely free from official store. There is a video to watch if you're confused, but you just press on the app and then it brings you to the store, and you just want to do what it says. So like Misplay says down install, play 4 games for 5 minutes. Cash Giraffe says down and collect 15,000 coins within 30 days installing. TikTok says down install, use for 3 days. So there's going to be tons of these guys. It doesn't really matter which one you do. Just make sure you do 2 of them, as you can see. And then the Baseball 9 mod should be on your phone. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, bro.